all together at the bird paradise. Hi, Gloria! Elijah, where are you? At the bird paradise. Yeah, that's right. And the penguin's taller than you. Where are they? Oh, I saw one. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Here, Gloria. Let's go. Is he going to jump? Hey, so. Oh. We're at the Australian outback. What is that sound? Why do you shout at him? How did they get up there? Good question. They probably fly. They're birds.
What are they eating?
Yeah, what are they eating? Ooh, what is this? You're taller than a penguin. Part of Africa. Oh, Elijah, sit down with me. Whoa! It looks like curly hair. What's that? So colorful. Oh, the colors of the different birds. Wow!
Look at it.
Let's go see! We're here to look at the birds. Let's go! Climbing the side of the rock. This is a starling.
We saw this one.
Yeah.
Here.
How about the small one on the branch?
Oh, like I saw this one there too. I like.
He's not a chicken. Look at that. He's not a chicken. Part of Africa. So all of these birds are from Africa. That's right. Oh, they are all different types of hornbirds. Hornbill. Where? Let's go see. Hi, Gloria. Hi. Bird nest. There are so many different types of nests. All the birds build the nest differently. Is that you? Really? Can I see?
That's what they.
Oh, what? So hungry, but who's the bird? You're right riding a dragon? What? Who farted? Who farted? The dragon or you? I think there might be a lift down. Mysterious Papa. Let's go in. Yeah, I can hear that. Let's go. Push.